Well, we're almost at the end of our series on the 9 deadly sins of small business bookkeeping, and today we are up to number 8, deadly sin number 8, which is not keeping proper employee records. It's surprising how often a business takes on their first employee and only thinks about paying them, but doesn't give any thought to all the other entitlements such as leave, etc. Most businesses do keep records about their employees, but not everyone is aware of the full list of requirements when it comes to maintaining employee records. It's essential to keep accurate records for at least the current and previous 3 tax years. This is so you can make sure that you and your employees are paying the right amount of tax and national insurance contributions. It also means your employees get the legal pay they're entitled to, including any statutory sick pay, maternity pay, paternity pay or adoption pay, and that you are complying with the law on things like the national minimum wage. All organisations, large and small, need to keep certain records, some because the law requires them and some for internal purposes. For instance, keeping records of hours worked and pay rates will enable employers to monitor legislation compliance. But you should also keep records of hours worked, pay rates, holidays, accidents, injuries and dangerous occurrences, accounting data, crime prevention information, pension data, mortgage or insurance administration. So for more information, you can go to the HMRC website that appears in the post on this page. But it's not just the HMRC that you need to be concerned with. The Labour Relations Agency gets over 30,000 calls a year about employment relations matters. So if you're an employer, I advise you to spend some time reviewing the Labour Relations Agency website. And in fact, there's a employment questions and answers page, and we've also included a few other links to sites that are very helpful when it comes to being a small business and employing people. So let's ask the question, what information do I need to provide to my employees? Well, you must give your employees a record of pay and deductions every time you pay them. This includes gross pay, tax deducted, and the employee's Class 1 national insurance contributions. You also have to give each employee a Form P60 end of year certificate that provides a summary of the employee's total pay and tax and NIC deductions at the end of each tax year. What are my obligations to HMRC, I hear you ask? Well, you must report your payroll information, which includes all employees' pay, tax and deductions, to HMRC each time you pay them. You must submit PAYE or pay-as-you-earn reports directly to HM Revenue and Customs using either your payroll software or HMRC's basic PAYE tools. There are different submission types and timings, and there's also temporary reporting arrangements for small businesses that you can read about on their website. HMRC provide advice on software programs and their own online service on their website as well. This is an extremely important area of business, and as you have a lot of responsibilities as an employer, I recommend that you take the time to review all the information available. I'm Wayne Bergen from Cashflow Manager.